Hello guys, my name is Kartavya Saxena and you are seeing Kartavya Saxena video channel. In today's educational video, I will tell you how to create AWS account step by step. Okay, so is right on the page. First step is the aws.amazon.com. Okay, search on the Google engine. Okay, so first website is click and click on create an AWS account. Third is put email ID in root user email address section. Okay. Fourth point is put AWS account name. Okay. Fifth is verify email address. Okay. Put verification code. Okay. 7, click on verify option. Okay. So 8 point is set root user password. 9, then continue. 10, fill contact information. 11, choose plan type of business, personal, full name, phone number, country address. Okay. 13 point is the billing information. Okay. Okay, means you will be pay for account. Create the account. Create debit card, no expiry date, CVV card holder name, PAN card number. 14 point is the pay 2 rupees charge. Okay, so you will be pay 2 rupees only. Okay, and then put OTP, submit, confirm your identity. 18, fill information, text message, voice call, country, mobile number, security check. Okay. 19 is select primary purpose of account registration, academy, and in ownership individual. Okay, so individual you are selected, you will be selected individual option. Okay, select support plan. Okay. 21 point is the complete sign up. Okay, go to AWS management, sign in to console, put root user email address. 25 point is the next, and then give the password, and then finally sign in. Okay, so your AWS account will become thus your AWS account will become. Okay, I hope would you help you from his video of the mine. Get you in the next videos. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you all of you, my guys, and in the next video the mine. Thank you all of you. Take care. Goodbye. See you.